violating. I'm gonna go ahead and say something real quick. Y'all niggas so stupid. Word to bro, I'll rig y'all entire house with fireworks within y'all fucking walls.
Ready to ride, man. Man, we ain't got no time to be waiting on no nigga. We ready to ride and slide, nigga. Straight up, nigga. These niggas.
If these dumbasses lay a fucking foot in my room, I will call the fucking police on these thugs. Fucking dog right now. How we out?
Nigga, I'm already mad.
How they gonna get to the crib, chat? We just went over to the crib, bro. Yo! Oh, yo, he's wildin', bro. Bro, what am I mother? He's wildin'. Bro, what am I mother? He's wildin', bro. Bro, what am I mother?
You're not gonna like it, though.
See?
You know, is he fucking slow?
See? Like, he's fucking with, bro, he's actually slow as shit.
He's right there. He's gonna bust
What am I mother? My chair is in there!
GG, bro.
Wildin', gang. What about it?
Shit getting active in here.
Bring that shit, nigga. We out, nigga. Last bomb. No.
Alcohol! No! That's alcohol! No! He's gonna be a fire!
This might catch on fire.
This nigga's a fucking, like...
Pull up. On our phantom. Hey, Davis got my jersey.
Yo, Bruno! Yo, get him, get Rakan.
Security, you gonna let him do it to my...
Get Rakan. Get everybody. Oh my God, Davis.
Oh my God. Yo, I got 100 grand of clothes in there. Go to my room right now.
Y'all violating. I'm gonna go ahead and say something real quick. Y'all niggas so stupid. Word to bro, I'll rig y'all entire house with fireworks within y'all fucking walls. In y'all walls. Jump over! How is your room getting blown up? Yo, keep these niggas the fuck out.
They just let him... Lord. Oh,
Yo. Bro, these niggas are dumb as dog.
I've never met a dumb nigga in my life.
That was actually smart as shit.
Tactical warfare.
Dude, that's some Riddler shit.
Release that back to reality, bro. I'm saying like they actually took a jet back.